This is Docdoolit, and I'm laying out my plan for YouTube success. Now, I'm not necessarily trying to make it big on YouTube, but I am trying to create a community and keep this platform open for creativity. This is not necessarily a comedy channel or a productivity channel or a music channel or whatever. This is just a channel about me posting stuff for you guys to watch. I feel like I said channel so many times. So I've analyzed a couple dozen of my favorite YouTubers, and I rated their content using 3 different categories. The first category being entertainment, which means they're fun to watch. You wish that you were there with them. These are things that you can watch in the background, not a lot of commitment. The second category is value, which means that this is information that is usable and actionable. Typically, this type of content you go back to often to reference the information. And the last category, personal connection. These are content creators that really make you want to know more about their personal lives, how their kids are doing, what projects are they working on. The person is more relatable because they seem genuine and authentic and transparent, and you're more likely to respond to call to actions like subscribing. And these are the things that help to grow the connection between you and your audience. To oversimplify this thought process, entertainment is what gets people watching, personal connection is what keeps people watching, and value is what keeps people coming back to your channel. Now, as for my channel, I'm not quite sure where I want to sit within the confines of these 3 categories, but this is a great place to start when you're not sure what kind of content you want to produce. Now, I'm not personally concerned with the YouTube algorithm. I know. Now, you do have people who claim to have the secret about going viral, and they'll say things like, "Eureka, I figured it out. This is what you need to do to go viral. Click this video right here." Or they'll clickbait something like, "The top 7 things you need to do to get your videos seen on YouTube." But I am going to be focused on SEO, which to simplify it means that you're labeling and tagging and titling your videos appropriately so that they do pop up in searches. And I'm also going to be focusing on consistency, and uploading as often as I can. Lastly, focusing on being myself, which is something only I am good at because I am the best at being me. And that is what people want to see. Hope you enjoyed my YouTube plan. I'll see you in the next video.